Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. Today we got the old John Deere 1951A. Now she's been sitting up here in the grass for a while. We probably haven't started this thing in about 3 years or so, I would say. So we're gonna try and get this thing running now. Hopefully get it out, do a little work with her. Hoping it won't take too much to get it running. We're probably gonna touch up the points in it. Hopefully add some fuel. I don't know if we're gonna have to do anything with the carburetor, but yeah. Looks like we lost our top of this generator here. Might have to do something there. But yeah, this thing got overhauled, I want to say 5 years ago or so. It should be in pretty decent shape. We had a cover on the muffler for most of the time, so hopefully no water got down in there. Yeah, let's see if we can get this thing to make power. So one of the first things we ran across here was we didn't have any battery in this thing. So we're gonna go pick up a battery, put a battery in her, and go from there. This tractor is the all-fuel model, which means it has the extra valve for switching what fuel you're using. And that'd be the first issue we ran into here. We couldn't get the valve to turn. Alright, so we tried taking off this shut-off valve here. Noticed it was tight. Smelled what little gas was in there, and she didn't smell very good at all. So we're going to just drain all this gas out and start over. By hand even, look at that. There, that little washer fell out of there.
Huh, there's no gas in the tank.
I can see a little crud there. She got a very strong odor of bad gas. But it's probably a good thing that she was about out of fuel. Hopefully the carburetor won't need much cleaning.
She's a fossil fuel burning son of a bitch.
Nasty. Yeah, you can see all that at the bottom there. We're gonna end up working on this valve here, get that to turn. A nano man.
Open.
You just take a hit from that? How did the gas taste good?
Well, it should be open now. Screw back in there. Try her out.
Oh yeah.
I think he just wants to see this break.
That's what it looks like. It's a John Deere, it won't break.
I agree with Dan there. Be a man, go an extra turn. So we ended up getting this to turn finally. Got that opened up. Clean the settling bowl out.
It's a good thing you listened to me and went that extra turn.
Alright, what we're gonna do here next is pull off our cap cover here, check these points out. Pretty common for corrosion to get between them points and not make good contact. Right in there. So we're just gonna touch them up and show you guys how to set them too, or how we set them anyway. Looks like, did we replace these a while back?
Boy.
Alright, let's see if she'll start.
There she's dribbling in now.
So we finally got fuel to start coming out of our settling bowl. This valve was stuck, and then also our shutoff valve ended up being stuck there. So we finally got fuel coming down in the carburetor. Get her to pop here, hopefully.
Look at choking. There's nothing appears though we have in this spot.
That is a problemo.
Right. Let's pull a plug out before we run out of juice again.
All right. Shout out to Don Man for battery pack.
I forgot about that.
Well, she wants to.
And you let her die, Claude.
I let a lot of things die, Dan.
Well, let's see here.
Well, we heard her run, got her to move a little bit, so I'm happy for today. Looks like we got both front tires are flat on us, so that'll be next week's project probably. And it also looks like we got a leak in the radiator somewhere. So that's gonna be a whole nother project itself. Still gotta end up getting this settling bowl piece fixed up here. Get something routed different there, or maybe completely take that valve setup out of there. But anyways, she's back alive. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.